Hello, this is Nonna Marie again, bringing you another Sicilian recipe, the taste of the Mediterranean. We're making swordfish today alla Messinese. That means pesce spada in Italian, swordfish, alla Messinese, from Messina. Messina is, oh my God, Messina is a city in Sicily, and it's right where they were like, that's a disaster thing to do, make the bridge connecting Sicily to the boot of Italy. There is a lot of turmoil about this. They've been talking about it since I was a little girl, and now they say that they're gonna make the bridge, they're gonna build the bridge. I will never go on that bridge because there is a lot of seismic things in the water. It's bad. That's why they never built it. But anyway, today we're making swordfish alla Messinese. Okay, these are the ingredients. We have olive oil, of course, garlic, cherry tomatoes. Here we go. These are the one on the wine. They're sweeter. Capers, black olives, parsley, and of course, swordfish steak. This is a little one because I'm a little person. Okay, the pan is hot. We make a nice oil. I don't like to mince the garlic because I do not like it. I never buy minced garlic because that's bitter, that's gross. For me, that's my opinion. I like fresh garlic and I put the whole thing. 2 heads, a little bit more oil. Let the oil taste like garlic. That's also why I never put minced garlic, because maybe some people get it on the dish when you cook for a lot more people and you take it off. Some chefs, I'm not a chef, some chefs, they take it off after a little while, after the oil got the taste. Okay, now we add the cherry tomatoes on vine. Ooh. Be careful because you're gonna get burned and stained. Lower the flame. Okay. Ooh, here we go again. That's because the tomatoes have water. Okay, let's wait. Let's lower more the flame. No. Okay, now that they cooked a little bit, mash it gently. Gently, because so this way the juices all go in the tomato. Yummy! This is so good. I remember when my mom used to make it. This is the taste of Sicily, the taste of the Mediterranean. Okay. Now we add the capers. Make sure you wash the capers. Even if you have capers in vinegar, wash it first, let it soak, or in salt especially. Let it soak. Oh, I forgot. Of course, my little red pepper flakes. In general, yo meto el peperoncino, the real thing, but now I got the flake. The olives, some are pitted, some are not. I don't mind. Okay, now let it cook a little bit. And of course, add a little parsley, just a little bit. We put the rest at the end. Oh, I also had a splash of white wine later. Not everybody do, but my mom used to do it. So does my dad. My dad was a great cook. And I put a little wine. Okay. Now, we put this pepper, and a little salt, like a little salt everywhere. We cover for a little bit. Now we turn it. Beautiful color. And again, pepper. A pinch of salt. And more peperoncino. I like things spicy. We let it cook for a little while longer. I'm gonna have this with a side of broccoli. This is a little steak. That's what you want to put all the color of the Mediterranean on top. This is so good. I love fish. All my family, of course, we come from Sicily. We used to fish our own fish, especially my father. Love fish. I will eat fish every day. Let it cook for a little while longer. And then I'm gonna put the wine. What is this? The wine, Pinot Grigio. And here we are. Again, before it splatters everywhere. Little splash. Cover for a little bit. Oh my God, it smells. The aromas are wonderful. Just wonderful. Let's get rid of this wine. just gorgeous. A little bit more, then I'm going to put a little bit more. And really, it's done. And now we plate it. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Just gorgeous. Here are my little broccoli. Oops, there we go. I put it on a different dish. I don't like everything on one dish. Okay? And please, this is our recipe for today. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. This is Nonna Maria Floridia at Nonna Maria 1433. Ciao! Buon appetito! Enjoy!